Huge shout out to my patrons on Patreon. If you'd like to be part of the extra super exclusive and deluxe weirdness, make sure you check out the description box and join us there. Thank you so much. Let's get into the video. Hi, I'm Danielle. I do too much. I like hair, talking, cosplay, music, art, and stuff. Hi there. You know it's a special video because look at these things I've put on me. Look at what I've done to myself for you. What's happening? Big shout out to Darcei because I'm very excited to do this video in general, but also I tried to do the same like blank background as her. I am in the middle of a storm. You would not believe how much stuff I'm surrounded right now. People on Patreon know what it looks like. People on Patreon have already seen this video with no ads and early. So I'm going to follow a tutorial from Darcei, turning into Darcei from the Webtoon My Secret Boyfriend, which I read. I was about to film a My Favorite Webcomics for my Thursday uploads, and then I realized I wanted to put on makeup. And then I realized 2 of the webtoons I read are like centered around a girl who does makeup in Korea, one of which is Darcei. And I was like, oh, I can't let this chance pass me by. So here we are. When was the last time you saw me have on nails? Okay, so we're gonna join Darcei actually.
Today, I'm gonna be turning myself into my own webtoon character. If you guys didn't know, I have a webtoon. It's a webtoon starring me.
I really love this channel. I have nothing to say right now.
And this is the Chanel Hydra Beauty micro.
Fortunately for me, I've already completed my skincare routine. I needed to wash the tears off of my face from setting up this insanity all around me. If it's a light layer of foundation, I probably don't need a primer. But what if I do? Wait, does serum count as primer? I don't know. I'm scared. This is why I don't wear makeup. I just panic about everything. Okay, let's see how she applies the primer. Foundation. So she is using a beauty blender. I have a beauty blender. Can you tell that I don't know how to use it? Okay. It looks like she put it directly on the sponge. I'm gonna try that. That's my sentence. Okay, so I have Glossier because it's the only makeup brand that understands what I need right now. I remember when like Glossier was like first coming out and everyone was like, this is like such not makeup. Who is it for? Me! It's for me! All the beauty people told me I should put it on my neck, so I think I'm gonna do that. It feels so weird. I stabbed myself in the neck. Ow. How do I adjust my camera to make it like this the whole time? Look at that. Look at how good that lighting looks.
My work has to speak for itself on my own face. So I have to blend really well today, guys. And as you know, I do not do that very well. I always miss a spot.
I feel seen and not attacked. I don't think I blend very well either because I don't put things on my face very often. Thus Glossier is my bestie. Thank you. That concealer is lighter than her. Foundation shade. Also, can you tell that this is what I use? Hi, I'm back, and I'm better. Okay, so this is the Glossier Stretch Concealer in G5. And Darcei's concealer looks to be maybe 2 shades lighter than her foundation. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this brush because I'm scared of my nails right now. And she put it under her eye. Oh. You know what's starting to look really good right now is the G2, that original one that I actually use. Let's just see who she's hitting for. Honestly, the G2 is lighter than my skin and my foundation. So you know what? That's what we're going with, because I really just can't put a different ethnicity on my face and pretend like I'm gonna have the skills to pull it back from the brink of doom and despair.
Know the drill. While I am waiting for this to set, we're gonna do eyebrows. Let me just scoot right in here.
Oh, okay. I have a lot of brow to spare, so I'm like, what are we doing? I'll just get it together after I find out. Okay.
Fill these in. I don't want my eyebrows to steal the show, even though they naturally do, because they have their own song, for God's sakes. Little brow, you're my little eyebrow.
Okay, fortunately, I actually have things that I think will do the same job. I'm just gonna sharpen up my very normal, completely intact pencil here. Yeah. Nothing to report, nothing out of the ordinary. She has a theme song for her eyebrows. Maybe I should make one up too. Eyebrows, they emote my feels. They keep me even keeled, even when it's weird. I know eyebrows got my back. My eyebrows thicker than a Snicker. Okay, so now it's time to blend out. Oh no, it's not moving. It's gone. It wasn't moving and now it's just gone. Oh no, it's still there. This is X Games. This is Hunger X Games. This is Hunger X Games. Like 50X.
We're gonna start powdering.
I have the No Sebum Mineral Pack, which is like a suck all the oils out your face. Is that what setting powder is for? The reason I didn't get into makeup sooner is because they didn't make my foundation shade. And I was like, oh, okay, I guess makeup's not for me. Because they don't make it for me. Like, no one. And then it became like, oh, I'm not going to be good at it. And now it's, oh yeah, I'm not good at it. See what's next.
Use this blush from Makeup by Mario. It's called...
So she's using like a very like deep, like plummy, like a delightfully like fallish shade. And I have two blushes. This is this blush and it is very pink. And this is this blush and it is very cranberry. Wait. These are some samples I got with probably buying the concealers, I think, or whatever. If you buy enough, they give you a thingamahoo. Gosh, I feel like I'm filming this from another dimension. Model. Send help. Well, it's not as much as I would have wanted, but that's okay. Let's just go ahead and blend that out and call it a day. Here's what we're gonna do, okay? We're gonna take her, and she looks, she's intimidating. Ooh. I never really considered myself like a really, like overly proud person. So I don't understand why the universe is insisting on humbling me today. Didn't think I needed that. Is there something coming my way that I need to be really humble about? Because you really could You didn't have to do this. Okay, we're just gonna put her where she's supposed to be. We're gonna put her in the hairline. Why not? We're living life today. Where is it? Why is it? Why? Oh, there she is. In real life, she's gone. But here, she lives on. I just prefer brushes because I've been painting for like my entire life. So I just feel like safe when there's a brush in me and me go, yeah! I think I did that right. All right, let's see what's next.
I'm just putting on like a light brown as my base color.
Okay. So we're gonna be using a red, and as a base, we are going to be using a light brown. This is the palette that I use when I use makeup. This is the one. If you've ever seen an eyeshadow on me, it was probably this. And then I also have this, but none of these are red. But there are plenty of browns to pick from. I'm gonna use maybe this one, because this one is me. Okay, yeah. Know about that. Y'all thought I didn't know about the tap. I know about the tap. Where did she put it? Oh no. Windshield wiping motions. Oh, that was a lot. I think at the beginning I was like, oh yeah, let's learn the makeup. And now I'm like, okay, so maybe I won't put as much as I did before. Okay, I'm just gonna grab her. Maybe a little more. Maybe a little bit more. That's it, and tap tap. Okay, here we go, kids. So she's like kind of. I feel like I just have pink eye, but maybe in a fashionable way.
So we're going for a natural look today, so we're not going to use any false lashes, which means we're going to have to use a really good mascara.
I didn't know we were using fake lashes. So your girl has trichotillomania, which means that I pull out my hair sometimes in my sleep. So this eye has eyelashes, but this has 0. That did a whole bunch of nothing, but you know what? I tried. What's happening here? My stupid standy-uppy eyelashes are keeping my fake eyelashes from making a home on my eyelid. You will never know the level of livid I have been for the last 30 minutes, trying to finagle these tiny pieces of hair. Does my makeup look okay? Just in general.
I use the PRE-POO lip tints. I love these lip tints. This is the Ink Velvet formula, and these are actually new colors. So these are the colors 22 and 23. They're so pretty. Wait till you guys see these.
Okay. I don't have lip tints. Surprise, surprise. Let's put on this basically pink lipstick. I don't have tints, so this is the best I have. I'm so scared. Hey, that worked out. All right, take us home, Darce. Here we are, gathered is hall. This video was brought to you by Miss Darcei's Brilliance and my blood, sweat, and tears. Subscribe! Miss Darcei, if you are watching this, consider this your character's first cosplayer. And if I was not successful, this is a prank, you guys. It's just a prank. I had so much fun doing this video. I learned a lot, that's for sure. And I actually learned a lot of techniques I probably should have already known. Like the concealer, it looks so much better than it usually does. I like this high blush situation. And I like my eyebrows like this. Like, look. They look so good. What other characters should I cosplay? I do lots of cosplay here on the channel. Check this out, or in the description box, because let's be honest, I'm not gonna remember to link it. That's YouTuber 101. Whoa! Who are all these people scrolling across the screen? That is so crazy. These are my patrons on Patreon. They got to see this video way sooner than this release date. Today, this hour o'clock, second now. If you'd like to join the ranks of the Starry Spaniels, the Power Pomeranians, or the Danger Dalmatians, I suggest that you check out the link in the description and join a tier that's best suited to you. They also got to see the behind the scenes. They got to see the catastrophe that is all around me right now. So make sure that you like and subscribe. Clearly, if you've gotten this far in the video, you like it. So go ahead and like it. Subscribe to this channel. If you're not already subscribed to Miss Darcei, you need to be. Go and subscribe to her too. I wish you the best, and this is Danielle, aka your resident weirdo, signing out. Say with me now, StarPuppy. Away! Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed the video.